Transformers have changed the way we perceive artificial intelligence. Just think about this time last year. Hardly anyone in the public was talking about artificial intelligence. But now, everyone is not only talking about artificial intelligence, there is a mad race to win over and learn more and more about artificial intelligence, and especially the large language models coming out of that artificial intelligence based on transformer architecture. These are still very, very nascent and early days, and a lot of work is being done by researchers and developers and the big firms. This paper, which is titled The Transient Nature of Emergent in Context Learning in Transformers by Aditya, Stephanie, Ted, and a lot of their colleagues, is another groundbreaking research project, in my opinion, which tells us more about few more aspects of transformers. Transformers, known for their in-context learning or ICL ability, unexpectedly shift from ICL to in-weights learning or IWL during the training. This paper reveals ICL's temporary nature and suggests L2 regularization for sustained ICL. This shift impacts strategies for training efficiency and compact model. So if you think about it, and read this paper, which is based on that abstract, it will tell you that the focus and efforts of many research papers, including this one, is to have or is to make training more quick, efficient, cheaper, and also to produce compact model which will have the same or almost similar performance as of the bigger models. And as I mentioned earlier, this in context learning is transient. So if you look at this diagram, this shows default setting 12 layers, embedding dimensions of 64, and it has been trained on 1600 classes with 20 exemplars per class. And all training sequences are bursty. And so the researchers have found that these settings to strongly incentivize ICL, but not really but they didn't observe the ICL transients because they did not train it long enough. Anyway, so I'll drop the link to this GitHub repo in video's description, not GitHub repo, the paper I mean, and you can read further along. So the crux of the matter is that at the end, these researchers found out that the L2 regularization may offer a path to more persistent ICL that removes the need for early stopping based on ICL style validation tasks. And they also have presented some sort of evidence that ICL transients may be caused by competition between ICL and IWL circuits. So if you are looking for a very in-depth read into this topic, this paper is the way to go. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or if you suggest any similar research, please put it in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.